This is our main lecture hall, but depending on what is needed, it could be split into two sections. There are 2 projection screens and 145 seats. Many events are hosted here, like speech follies and various guest speakers. Any clubs or organizations can reserve the lecture hall for any events that they need to host. Teachers also use the space to host their class lectures.
Hello, my name is Annie, and today I'm going to be talking about the Science Building. In the Science Building, we have classes like biology, physics, and chemistry, as well as honors and advanced placement levels of these courses. We also have other classes like AP Environmental Science and Human Physiology. In addition, we have a variety of academic teams that compete every year, and these include Science Olympiad, Science Bowl, Ocean Sciences Bowl, Destination Imagination, and Physics Team.
Each classroom, like others on campus, are equipped with a document camera, speakers, microphones, and a TV that connects to our Chromebook. On the north side of the Science Building, the rooms are set up a little differently, where there are small little lecture halls in between every class, so students can experience what it's like to be in college. Each classroom, like others on campus, are equipped with a document camera, speakers, microphones, and a TV that connects to our Chromebook.